In this video, I'm going to show you how to make decals in Roblox. Start by going to the Roblox website and log into your account. Once you're logged in, click on Create at the top of the page. From the left-hand menu, select Creations, then go to Development Items and click on Decals. Scroll down and click Upload Asset. Make sure your decal is selected in the drop-down, then click the Upload button. Now choose the image you want to upload from your computer. If your image has a transparent background, it's best to use a .png file for better results. After uploading the image, give your decal a name and optionally a description. You can describe what the image is about to help keep things organized. Then scroll down and click Upload. Your decal will now appear in a list of your uploaded decals. If you don't see it right away, refresh the page. Sometimes it takes a few minutes to show up. Once your decal appears, click on it to view the details. Scroll down to the distribution section. If you want to make it available for others to find and use, turn on the option to publish it to the creator's store, then click Save Changes. To get the decals link or ID, click the three dots next to it and select Open Asset Details. Then look at the address bar. The long number in the URL is your decal ID. And that's it. That's how to make decals in Roblox.